Okay, so this is a quick video about this graph, specifically for Alexander, who's questioning whether it's correct or not, who's a PhD, and he can't reproduce the results that I have done, but it's for anyone else who doubts this diagram also. So I'm actually going to physically show you how this diagram is created, and then people can draw their own conclusions. So there's two links here, one to go to Google Trends for PEAF and TOGAF. So let's go to the one for PEAF first. Oh, the first thing to mention actually, before I do that, is if you notice on this diagram, this is from 2008 up to, it was January 2020. So we'll do it up to today though, but we're still going to go from 2008. So if I open a window here, by clicking on that link for PEAF, it's defaulting to the past 5 years. So let's just change that to 2008. And having got that data, we're going to download that. If we look down here, it's downloaded to CSV. So there is the CSV data of what was just downloaded, multitimeline.csv. Let's go back to here. Now we'll go and click on the TOGAF link, which again takes us to Google Trends for TOGAF. You can just manually go to this page and type in TOGAF, it's not going to make any difference. And we'll change this also to go back to 2008. If you're wondering why I'm using 2008, oops, sorry, wrong one. It's because 2008 is when PEAF was first launched. What I'm not quite sure what's happening there. It's playing silly buggers, as they say. Let's try that again. 2008. Well, oh, that's because I'm changing the wrong. I was correct the first time, wasn't I? 2008. For some reason it's still telling me that's wrong. Let's go out again and let's just do that again. We'll just change this to 2008. I keep doing too many zeros. Okay. There's the TOGAF data. As you can see, it's going down. Let's download that. Look down here. Now we've got a bracket 1 CSV, so we'll open that. Here's our bracket 1 CSV with the TOGAF data. So let's copy that column. We'll go back to the PEAF one, which is just the multi-timeline version 1 here, PEAF, and we'll say paste like that. So now I've got PEAF here, TOGAF here. Let's get rid of these extraneous rows. Let's select these 2 rows and draw a graph. 2D line with lines over the top. This is the graph we have. Orange is TOGAF, blue is PEAF. You can quite clearly see there's the crossover. But let's just, for completeness, we'll add a trend line. And it's a 12-month moving average. That's what was on the original diagram. And we'll just make that dotted line a bit thicker so we can see it. And we'll add a trend line for the blue line. Moving average 12, and we'll make that thicker also so you can see that. So I'll now bring in this diagram here, copy image, and we'll go back to here and we'll do paste the image. And as you can see, I haven't done any weird manipulations. Let's just move this, oops, move this down here a little bit. The reason the date's here is because it hasn't, I didn't do the axis, so we'll just do the axis here. We'll edit this. The axis label is here. Of course, we don't need that one. As you can see, this is from 2008 over here up to 2020, which is our days. And as you can see, there are some slight differences, but I'm pretty sure you could agree that these two are essentially almost exactly the same. And the TOGAF is certainly falling and PEAF is certainly rising. So if Alexander, if you want to tell me what I've done wrong, I'm quite happy for you to do so. Quite happy to be proved wrong. And if I've done something wrong, I shall correct it. Okay, so over to you.